Good evening, residents of KZN. My name is Chaplain Sean, the President of Indian Congress Party. And it's been brought to my attention that we have a lot of residents who have complained to Metro Police about certain bylaws, and one of them being loud music and disturbance at night, and where Metro Police give them a reference number and simply does not attend to these issues. I can vouch for them. Very, very true, I say that, because I had two incidents, and one last night I spoke to a Miss or Mrs. Modley, and I complained about a fight that was going on till 1 the next morning in Phoenix. And she said, no, Metro Police does not respond to, breaking of windows and gates and stuff like that. So I also informed her that, it's a bylaw that after 10 at night about these loud noises or disturbances that you all have to protect and respond to. She said me, yes, she took my details down, and it's the second time now they have not responded to me. So I am a testament to the fact that I don't know what these guys really do at night. I am not here to judge them, but what I'm saying is, are they giving tickets at night? I would love for the Metro Police chief to actually respond to this. If you could let this video go viral, we would love a response from the chief of the Metro Police. What are you guys doing at night? This is one of it's part of our manifesto that we get Metro Police back in certain areas that they've been taken out of, and especially in Phoenix as well. Metro Police was upstairs at the rent office. Now that they have moved, I see that, you randomly see them, or sometimes you don't actually see them. And it's a concern because who's protecting the bylaws? The SAP has got a lot in the, on the plates, and to respond for the bylaws is actually the job of the Metro Police. So guys out there that have been having the same issues in the KZN area, where especially Durban, where Metro Police is actually patrolling these areas. I would love to hear from you and your concerns when you actually phone Metro Police and don't get a response from them, or the vehicle doesn't pitches up there. So this is unacceptable, because we have taxpayers that are paying their monies for this kind of services, and we would love the mayor as well as to address why is certain of his departments that are not functional and not affordable or afforded to the community. We would love to hear from you. So also I'm doing the next video on health, and that's in connection with our ambulance services, where I spoke to a superintendent, and he told me there were staff issues, people were laid off work, and the shortage of vehicles. It's been over 6 months now. The new government has taken over, and still there's been no upgrades or any benefits to the community. So we are saying that on our next video we need you to comment there as well. But this is specifically for Metro Police in Durban, and them not responding to your call outs, especially when it comes to loud music or disturbance in your area. Thank you.